So, you're thinking of buying CyberGhost VPN. There are 3 things I want you to know that you might not be aware of. When it comes to pricing, CyberGhost truly shines. They offer several great deals on long-term plans, and the savings really add up. The prices and deals can change, so make sure to check out our coupons page to make sure that you're getting the best deal. CyberGhost is one of the more user-friendly VPNs that we've tested. There are 4 user profiles that make it easy to connect with the best servers for the job. If you want to watch Netflix, just select the unblocked streaming profile. The other profiles are perfect for surfing anonymously, torrenting anonymously, and unlocking basic websites. With nearly 3,000 servers worldwide, you're sure to find the right server for you. CyberGhost takes security very seriously. They have a strict no-logs policy, which means that they don't track what websites you go to or what you're doing while you're on those websites. Your true IP address is hidden from your ISP and any government agencies, and all the connections are highly encrypted, which means that your personal data will remain secure forever.